The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Mary Magdalene and the other Mary went away quickly from the tomb, fearful yet overjoyed, and ran to announce the news to his disciples. And behold, Jesus met them on their way and greeted them. They approached, embraced his feet, and did him homage. Then Jesus said to them, "Do not be afraid. Go tell my brothers to go to Galilee, and there they will see me." While they were going, some of the guard went into the city and told the chief priests all that had happened. The chief priests assembled with the elders and took counsel. Then they gave a large sum of money to the soldiers, telling them, "You are to say, 'His disciples came by night and stole him while we were asleep.' And if this gets to the ears of the governor, we will satisfy him and keep you out in trouble." The soldiers took the money and did as they were instructed. And this story has circulated among the Jews to the present day. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Happy Easter once more to all of you, and welcome back to those working from your Holy Week break and Holy Week experience with your communities. Many would attest that the early stage of a child's growth is crucial. Nakikita nila o naririnig nila ang mga bagay na mga ginagawa ng mga matatanda. Example, when around a good environment, hopefully, good examples are given, and thus a child will live a good life. But when an environment is torn and bad, we might have a problem there. Kaya mainam na magturo ng tama kaysa mali. We've heard today this story on how Easter stories and Easter events will not only be about happy events. We've heard today, despite the victory of Jesus, many would still want to live in dishonesty and the sin. The chief priests and the elders gathered the guards to appease them with something. And what is that something? For them to tell and report the governor that the disciples stole the body of Jesus while they were asleep. Tinuruan na suyuin sa mali. Tinuruan na brasuhin nila yung katotohanan na hindi naman talaga nabuhay na magmuli ang taong ito, pero ninakaw ang katawan ng taong ito. Ituro ang kasamaan kaysa kabutihan, ang mali kaysa sa tama. My dear brothers and sisters, it is Easter to speak the truth. It is not Easter when we lie, when we speak fake news, when we spread and put on masks over our faces and our lives. But it will always be Easter when we teach goodness, when we say the truth, when we are honest and sincere in everything that we do. Kapag nagpatotoo, totoo ang biyaya ng pagkabuhay. Grasya ng pagkabuhay ang sabihin ang katotohanan kaysa kamalian. If we are holding off truth, when we distance ourselves from reality, when we put on masks, when we lie, and if we wish to stay inside those bad stories, then we also take time for longer days inside the tomb. But the Lord has been raised. Easter na po ngayon. Maging biyaya po sana sa bawat isa, sa ating bansa, sa bawat tao ito. Pumanig sa katotohanan, hindi sa kasinungalingan.